Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae. Dear students, it is a large family commonly called as potato family. It is widely distributed in tropic, subtropic, and even temperate zone. Now, vegetative character. Plants mostly herbs, shrubs, and rarely small tree. Stems herbaceous, rarely woody, aerial, erect, cylindrical, branched, solid or hollow, hairy or glabrous. Underground stem in potato tuberosum. tuberosum. That means sometimes stems are underground. In the case of potato, which scientific name is Solanum tuberosum. Now leaves alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound, X stipulate, venation reticulate. Floral characters, inflorescence. Inflorescence in Solanaceae family, the flowers are solitary, axillary, or cymose as in Solanum. Flower bisexual, that means both male and female sex organ is present in same flower. Actinomorphic, actinomorphic means that can be divided into two equal parts at its any radii. Calyx, calyx made up from 5 sepals, and these are united, persistent, valvate estivation. Okay, student, valvate estivation in calyx as well as corolla. That means all sepals are like look like a attached or corolla. Petals 5. That means 5 petals make the corolla united. United, that means gamopetalous condition. Valvate, here estivation is also valvate. Androecium, stamens 5 and epipetalous. Epipetalous means the androecium joined with petals. Gynoecium, bicarpellary, that means made up from two carpel. Syncarpus, that means these two carpels are joined. Ovary superior, ovary superior, bilocular, placenta swollen with many ovules. Fruits as mainly berry or capsule type. Seeds many and endospermous. Here you can see uh, the one member of the family Solanaceae is Solanum nigrum, which uh, the common name of Solanum nigrum is macoy. Okay, so here flowering twins, flowers, LSA flower, and stamen, carpel, and floral diagram. Floral diagram here you can see in floral diagram. First of all, here five sepals, and five sepals are gamosepalous. This means jointed to each other, and valvate type estivation is found here. And next one is petals. Petal is also five. In the case of Solanum nigram, these five petals are joined, that is means gamopetalous. And next androecium, and here androecium is uh, androecium is also five, and these androecium are attached to corolla. So this condition is epipetalous. And here you can say two carpel, that means bicarpellary, and syncarpus and superior ovary. Uh, so floral formula of Solanum nigram is ebracteate. Here you can say EBR, ebracteate, actinomorphic and bisexual, calyx 5 gamosepalous, petals 5 gamopetalous, androecium 5 epipetalous, that means attached to petal. Gynoecium 2, 2 means bicarpellary, bracket means syncarpus, and this underline shows superior ovary. So in this way you can read like this: actinomorphic bisexual, calyx 5 polysepalous, corolla 5 gamosepalous, androecium 5 epipetalous, gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary. Now economic importance. This family had important economic that is first, source of food. Okay. Some plants are the source of food. For example, tomato, brinjal, potato, okay, which these plants producing vegetables, which are edible products, and some are spoils, for example chili, and some plants are medicinal plants, that means they give medicine. For example, belladonna, common name of belladonna is ashwagandha. Okay. Next, some plants are fumigatory, that means you use for example इसका tobacco. Tobacco contains toxic alkaloid nicotine and used for chewing, smoking and snuff. And last economic importance is ornamental. Ornamental plants, for example petunia. In this way you can see here the economic importance of family Solanus. Okay, students, thank you.